Wash my 8-month-old son's clothes with me in this mini washing machine. I just started putting him on the ground and he's exploring. His clothes are very dirty.
Yeah.
I am pouring enough water to fill the machine. I use a blue soap to wash them. I took the soap out when the water is soapy. Clean. I changed the water for the third set. This is the fourth set. I put back the soap in at this point. This is how I let the water out. I rinse them under the pipe. Now I'm using fabric softener to rinse them again in the machine. I use the yellow bottle Suavitel. It smells so good. Now I am emptying the rinse water. Washed and rinsed. I am now trying out the spin function. It should be on a flat surface, and I am using it in the sand, so it's shaking. I did not use it to dry them because it would take up a lot of time. They are very clean and smells so good.